Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Haikyu Fly High. So this is for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn that on right here and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see guys, these are the current values in the game. So let's see if we can increase that or if it stays the same. So as you can see guys, no change yet, but hopefully it goes up. So let's see what happens to our account. And bang, guys, look at that. It actually works. So I'm going to show you how to download this modded version of the Haikyu Fly High for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download. So first thing we're going to do is go to the browser, and I just want you to go to the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type that in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in Haikyu Fly High. So let me just do that. And as you can see, here it is. So press install. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official App Store. And this should install the Haikyu Fly High hack onto your device. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second to load up. So I'm just going to wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, let's just give it a second to load. And then the last step is going to be that verification, but it's not as hard as you may think. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11. So I could do that one. It's a game. Or I could do Lucky Match, Underdog Fantasy just says download and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of the apps, guys. You're going to be all set. And that's how to get Haikyu Fly High hack for iPhone and Android, guys. Super insane.